From this video you will learn how to cook peppermints, chocolate mints and chocolate caramel walnuts, uncooked fondant. White of 1 egg, 2 tablespoonfuls of cold water, sifted confectioner's sugar, half teaspoonful of essence of peppermint or a few drops of oil of peppermint, 1 or 2 squares of chocolate, green color paste, pink color paste. Beat the egg on a plate, add the cold water and gradually work in sugar enough to make a firm paste. Divide the sugar paste into 3 parts. To 1 part add the peppermint and a very little of the green color paste. Take the paste from the jar with a wooden toothpick, add but a little. Work and knead the mixture until the paste is evenly distributed throughout. Roll the candy into a sheet 1/4 an inch thick, then cut out into small rounds or other shape with any utensil that is convenient. Color the second part a very delicate pink, flavor with rose extract and cut out in the same manner as the first. To the last part add 1 or 2 squares of chocolate, melted over hot water, and flavor with peppermint. Add also a little water, as the chocolate will make the mixture thick and crumbly. Begin by adding a tablespoonful of water, then add more if necessary, knead and cut these as the others. Chocolate caramel walnuts, uncooked fondant. White of 1 egg, 3 tablespoonfuls of maple or caramel syrup, 1 tablespoonful of water, sifted confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoonful of vanilla extract, 2 or more squares of chocolate, English walnuts. Beat the white of egg slightly, add the syrup, water, sugar as needed, the chocolate, melted over hot water, and the vanilla, also more water if necessary. Work with a silver-plated knife and knead until thoroughly mixed, then break off small pieces of uniform size and roll them into balls. In the hollow of the hand, flatten the balls a little, set the half of an English walnut upon each, pressing the nut into the candy and thus flattening it still more. The caramel gives the chocolate a particularly nice flavor. How to coat candies, and see, with dot chocolate. Half a pound of dot chocolate will coat quite a number of candy or other centers, but as depth of chocolate and an even temperature during the whole time one is at work are essential. It is well, when convenient, to melt a larger quantity of chocolate. When cold, the unused chocolate may be cut from the dish and set aside for use at a future time. If the chocolate be at the proper temperature when the centers are dipped in it, it will give a rich, glossy coating free from spots, and the candies will not have a spreading base. After a few centers have been dipped, set them in a cool place to harden. The necessary utensils are a wire fork and a very small double boiler. The inner dish of the boiler should be of such size that the melted chocolate will come nearly to the top of it. Break the chocolate in small pieces and surround with warm water, stir occasionally while melting. When the melted chocolate has cooled to about 80°F, it is ready to use. Drop whatever is to be coated into the chocolate, with the fork push it below the chocolate, lift out, draw across the edge of the dish and drop onto a piece of table oilcloth or onto waxed paper. Do not let a drop of water get into the chocolate. Chocolate dipped peppermints, uncooked fondant. Prepare green, white, pink and chocolate colored mints first. After they have dried off a little, run a spatula under each and turn to dry the other side. Coat with dot chocolate. Happy cooking and bon appétit! Please subscribe for more videos and thank you for watching.